Hello YouTube, today I'll be showing you how to fix your PS3 disk drive, and this video will be helpful if you have the same problem as me, if when you put in the disk it's not spinning and PS3 is not reading it, or if it spins and then just stops. So see, this is what happens. This is PS3 Slim. Turn on the PS3 and it just does that. Nothing happens. So to fix this, what you want to do is you want to turn off your PS3. And this is actually what's going on here. And then you want to unscrew it. And then you want to unplug this wire over here on your disk drive. Unplug it. And then you want to disconnect this. Okay? And then this thing just pops off here. And you want to take out your disk drive. It should just come off like that. And you want to unscrew of course you want to take off this mechanism here. And then you want to unscrew it. You want to unscrew the bottom. You see, here's the piece for that. And then let's begin. So what you want to do is move this aside. You're not going to be needing that. Hang on, gotta set this up. Okay, so you want to go to the back of this, and then there is this gear here. You want to push that back. You want to push that back like this, then hold it like that. And then you see this little mechanism here. You want to spin it counterclockwise to the left. And see here, the gear is spinning, but you have to keep holding the gear, this gear thing, and you have to keep spinning this until you can't spin it anymore. And then what it does is it actually raises the whole platform. Everything comes up, and that should fix it. And then now what you want to do is you want to just plug it all back up to your PS3. And just reconnect those two wires, and you'll have to screw it back together. Okay, and then here, plug up this wire here. Oh, my finger is in the way. Wow. Plug up this wire here, back where it goes. And then reconnect this little white thing here. It goes in that little slot down there. Okay, now when you got that, you don't turn on your PS3. Put the disc you want to play in, put it in, and then here's this little white thing. You'll need that. Don't lose that. Put that on top, and then you see this thing here. This little, you wanna put that back, okay? And then you want to tape it simple, because you're going to want to keep it. You're going to want to keep it back. Okay? So now it's all taped here, because you don't want it coming out. And then turn on the PS3. And there you go, it's working. Disc is spinning perfectly and it's working. And now, when you do this, you'll never want to press the eject button. You're gonna have to leave it this way. This is the only way it'll work. You'll never want to press the eject button. That just messes it all up, and you'll have to redo the process all over. And every time you want to switch a game, you're gonna have to turn off your PlayStation, and then switch the discs that way. And that's all. I hope this video helped. Comment if you have any questions. Like, subscribe, and see, this is what happens when I press the eject button. You see the whole mechanism goes down. So you never want to do that. So, bye.